Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to adjust HDR brightness on Android mobile. Actually, I'm using Google Pixel 7a. So how to do that? It is very simple. Swipe up the screen, then go to Settings application, then select Display and Touch. You can see here, and you can see option of Enhanced HDR brightness. You can simply tap on that button to turn on, and click on that text to enter this menu. Then you can simply turn on that HDR brightness settings from here, and also you can interact with intensity slider for adjusting how much light you need whenever you are playing HDR content. So in this way you can easily you can easily adjust your HDR brightness settings on your Google Pixel 7a. So it is not about all of the Android mobile which phone gives that permission. It is only I see in currently in Google Pixel 7a. I don't know which other mobiles have this kind of settings. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and must thing is that Android is allowing that to control HDR from the settings, but actually I don't see any other mobiles like OnePlus, previous version of OnePlus, Samsung's, any other phones. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as videos so I can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.